Here we go. Nice. What the fuck? I thought those were wilds. Guess not. Gonna get another bonus, guaranteed bonus here. Oh, there we go. Cockblockers. Nice. Fucking plane. Shit. Stupid ass revealing symbols. Oh, that would have been nice. Stupid. Yeah, 10x, pretty much bonus guaranteed.